does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Yo, 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 what's good, y'all? It's the boy I love to hate, slick on one wheel. I'm gonna go out there, man. I'm trapped in the rain, no big deal. I'm gonna still go out and get my work in, man. I ain't afraid of water, I ain't allergic to water. We outside, let's get it. All right, y'all, let's do this thing. Let's go!
Incredibly gifted. You can't beat me with a baseball bat. I'm from a place where you better be different. These niggas aiming at your baseball hat. Put extra holes in your Letterman sixes. Niggas retire at the streets with no medals, but they medal let veterans lift it. I'm a king in my checkers, a missing checker for change in my pockets. I got babies at home and they ain't feeding theyself. Bank ain't making no loans to black man. It's 1987, so that crack jam. So my habit make my cash do a tap dance. Hand-to-hand exchanges got me high as fuck, now I'm eager and dangerous. I can stack it up if I just hit a couple licks. I ain't no bitch, but if I get caught, I'm sure gon' miss it when the kids pull up. When the kids pull up. Grew up on the west side, tryna live my best life. Damn right, till the kids pull up. Grandma cooking in the kitchen, looking a mess, reminiscing, knowing you blessed and the vision guide you. I smell violence and violence, sugar and silence, making melodies and beats out of bullets and sirens. Yo, this is wet and wild out here. We still outside, bro. This is how you gotta be, man. If you want to be a stunt rider and it's raining, you can't be inside. Look at these birds hanging out. You feel me? If you're afraid of the streets, stay on the sidewalk. Stay on the sidewalk. Mom, every night I bow my head. How she fit that boy when Pops was in the feds, and our only concern was that his sons will never scared when the kids pull up. When the kids pull up. I'm gonna do one more wheelie, then I'm gonna hit a couple free blocks for you guys. One good tap dance, guys. That's all I want to do. Oh my God, I keep forgetting. All I want to do is tap dance, but I don't want to slip. Nobody ever got great by hiding from the rain.
Make sure my brakes work. There we go. Back brake. Back brake is definitely warm.